Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping gadget that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hilucky Solar Charger 25,000 mAh portable solar power bank. For the first thing of this top 10 best camping gadget, it comes with the solar charger from Hilucky, which serves as a helpful power bank for you. It has 3 color designs, which are blue, black and orange. It features high capacity of power, which reaches the maximum of 25,000 mAh, waiting to be transferred to your smartphones, including Apple and Samsung. The solar panel has been upgraded to convert 4 times more energy, which is able to charge with 5 watts of power. Therefore, it is about 6 times faster than its other competitors. It can be charged 2 devices at once with dual ports provided to let your devices consuming power at the same time. It can also detect the output current to ensure the charging process from overcurrent or voltage. In addition, there are 9 LED lights which can be used as 3 types of signals, which are normal, SOS and strobe. Last but not least, it has a cover to make the charger resistant to water and dust. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Anker Nebula Capsule Smart Wi-Fi Mini Projector. Here comes the mini projector and speaker from Anker, which seems to be the best camping gadget ever for entertainment. To serve as an outstanding projector, it is equipped with advanced DLP algorithms which is able to deliver high-resolution picture at the range up to 100 inches. It also comes with a high-quality speaker which is able to offer great sound quality from 360 degrees angles. Thus, users can feel like they are bathing in the harmony of the music. As it is made of aluminum, it has a very lightweight body, at only 15 ounces, which is very portable to bring with anywhere. It offers connection between streaming apps, such as YouTube and Netflix, to offer endless entertainment. It can connect it through either HDMI or USB ports. Users can control it from their mobile phone via Nebula Connect app, which is available on both Google Play and App Store. At number 3, we have the Sportneer Portable Lightweight Folding Camping Chair. Sportneer offers a pair of camping chairs for your outdoor adventure trip. The chairs are made from high-quality aluminum which ensures the best durability and stability. They are extremely light, at only 2 pounds, which include the weight of carrying bag. It is foldable for outdoor use, such as camping and hiking. For the assembly process, it comes with a shock cord to make the installation faster and easier. The chairs are in low height, which is only 13.8 inches high, and they have the back heights at 26 inches. However, it might not work well with people who are having pain in their backs. The maximum loading capacity of the chair is up to 350 pounds, which is far more than our expectations on this trip. Last but not least, the soft and breathable mesh is to maximize your comfort and breathability while relaxing on the chair. At number 2, we have the Vont 4-pack LED Camping Lantern. If you are outdoor, light is always the most important thing to ensure your visibility and safety. Therefore, this is a camping lantern from Vont, which is a useful camping gadget under $30. At an affordable price, it is able to use for many purposes. It is equipped 30 LED bulbs to ensure the brightness fills every direction. It can be used inside the tent, and after a full charge, it is able to light up your room at up to 30 hours. It has a collapsible design which you can fit it into the backpack and carry it around. It is made of aircraft materials which are both waterproof and indestructible. Even from a 10-foot drop, it still survives and offers you with great benefits. The product exceeds the requirements of the CE Rose certified safety standards, which aim to provide a lifetime warranty for users to always enjoy it with the best peace of mind. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mounchain Portable Travel Coffee Maker. For coffee drinkers or addicts, it is your time now to look carefully at this product. This is a coffee maker for traveling from Mounchain. This design makes the operation very convenient, which is for use during the trip. Users can simply pour in hot water and press a button to let it pour out a cup of delicious coffee. The tank is able to hold up to 150 megaliters. This coffee maker is able to work with both capsules and ground coffee. The K-cup in the machine is reusable, which you can add in ground coffee for many times. The coffee maker is constructed of high-quality plastic, which meets the safety requirements of FDA for food-grade standards. It is only 12.66 pounds, which is very lightweight and portable for users to bring anywhere with them. Its fashionable and stylish design also make it a special gift for family and friends. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.